into the motorbike adventure to Machu Picchu. Stopped at this lake called Lake Puri. No idea. Hard spelling. But yeah, I've got a Honda 190, which is quite good actually because it's brand new. And I haven't really had like a brand new bike before when I've been on travel, so it's good to have. But it's good, the roads over here, it's like it's obviously, since it's South America, not sort of in Asia, so it's not absolutely ridiculously crazy, which is good. One hour into riding to the Machu Picchu. It stopped raining, thank God for that, because I haven't got waterproof clothes, because I'm always prepared, as always. But it's like another 9 hours that way, so. So I was driving down sort of like the main sort of highway, but then it's they've closed it because there's been a big landslide, and the guys like directed me through these, like through pretty much through the mountains, which is actually much better because it's goes through all these little villages and stuff like that. So it's cool. So I've got to this viewpoint of the beautiful Andes. It's pretty impressive, I have to say. I think I'm well behind schedule because I keep getting distracted by stuff like this. So I'm probably going to get to the Machu Picchu in the dark. Right, so I'm still on the way to Machu Picchu now. Beautiful roads, like sort of came from this town called Santa Teresa. Santa Teresa it's called, and it's pretty much all the way through here like this, and all this road. It's an unreal drive, like the Machu Picchu is still that way. So still en route. So thankfully the rain's been holding off still for us. It is sort of rain season in this part of Peru as well. It's drizzling on, it's cloudy up there, so hopefully I'll get there before it absolutely pisses it down. On this quite mountainous road now, it's getting a bit dangerous. The conditions, it was a bit wet last night as well, so the road's a little bit slippy, but it makes it a bit more fun. Okay, so I'm on a little pit stop in the middle of the jungle. The best thing about Peru, especially when you're driving through these sort of parts, is that there's loads of fruit trees everywhere. And I've been eating a mango, or what I think is a mango, but I've had no knife, so I've had to resort in my Oyster card to act as a knife. It's worked alright. I think it's ripe. I think it's a mango. It's alright though. So one problem with these roads is they're very dusty, hence why the face is black and covered in dust. But I'm making progress. Still in the middle of nowhere. Peru is pretty much, to me, it seems like I am in the middle of nowhere because I've just been driving and driving and driving. But the one problem is there's loads of these like little water holes where like water runs across the road, and I'm soaking wet. I've already changed my socks twice, and now I've ran out of socks, and I've gone through a massive one now. Soaking wet. Okay, desperate times. I've had to result in using my underpants as a buff and a neck warmer because it's getting cold now, since I'm quite high up in the clouds. As you can see, it's very misty, so you just got to make do with what you've got. Works alright, to be honest. They're clean though, they're clean, don't worry. Right, I've eventually made it to the final point. Dropped my bike off here because I can't take it any further. But I'm pretty much in the jungle now. I've been driving through the jungle for pretty much all of the evening. But then now I'm sort of going to Machu Picchu. Yeah, so but the road I took, it was probably one of the best motorbike drives I've done. Ended up getting to about 4,000 meters, and it was absolutely freezing at one point. But this is as far as I can go with the motorbike, just because it's, I don't know why. So I've had to, oh god, Machu Picchu that way. Where am I going? Right, after some poor translation from English to Spanish, I think it's this way. 2 hour hike or something up here. Well, I'm deep in the heart of the South American jungle now. I'm not sure if there's anything in here that's going to kill us, but... So this dog has been with me for the last half an hour now. Go on. So I have a buddy to join me on this trek to the Machu Picchu. So I can see the Machu Picchu eventually. I didn't actually know it was like a 10k hike, pretty much from where I had to drop the motorbike off, because obviously no more traffic comes through apart from on the train tracks. So I didn't look into that, but I can see the Machu Picchu.